Okay, so for this one, they gave us the vertices, and then they told us that the slope of one of the asymptotes was 3 for the hyperbola. So I graphed these vertices in blue, and then I could take the midpoint, and that gave me center, which is totally what you said up there. And then the slope of the asymptote being 3. So I'm going from the center, and I'm going over 1 and up 3, over 1 and up 3. And then do you see how I'm right over the vertice there? And that is 6 boxes. So that means that B is 6. I'm not sure if I can draw this very well, but let me give it a try. Oh, kind of. If you can kind of see right there, it's not going to let me, it's going to try to drag and drop this. Anyhow, if I tried to draw in the box that went through those vertices, you could see this is going over 2 and up 6, and that's that same slope of 1 and 3. So say they had told us that the slope was 3, which means it's 3 over 1 if I want to do this algebraically rather than trying to draw a graph. So the slope is 3 over 1. And then right here, I know that my over was 2. And so for this, we're doing similar triangles. This one goes over 1 and up 3. This one goes over 2 and up x. And so if I solve that little ratio right, then I get that 6 equals x. So that is another way without drawing a graph of getting that same 6. For me, I do a lot better if I just draw myself a little picture to kind of help orientate my brain. Anyhow, once we figure out that B is 6, let me clear this stuff and slip over here. So this one is parallel to x, the transverse axis. It will lead in x. And what was my center? 3, -1. Okay, so we would have x, and then 3 would make that -3 squared, and then minus y, and that was a -1, so that would show us a +1 squared equals 1. And then this one is a squared, and this one is b squared, and we just figured out that that b is 6, because we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to the top of the box, and that my a is 2 from right there. So this should be 4, and this one would be 36. Hopefully that helps.